Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to learn about a natural solution that can improve your skin, hair, and overall health? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the amazing benefits of argan oil. This plant oil is derived from the kernels of the fruit of the argan tree, which is native to Morocco. It has been used in Morocco for centuries as a culinary staple. But it has also been recognized for its wide array of potential health benefits. This oil is now used globally for a variety of culinary, cosmetic, and medicinal applications. One of the most notable benefits of argan oil is its effect on skin health. It primarily contains fatty acids and a variety of phenolic compounds, which provide essential nutrients for the skin. The majority of the fat content of argan oil comes from oleic and linoleic acid, and it is also a rich source of vitamin E. These nutrients may provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to protect against sun damage and reduce the appearance of scars. Argan oil may also have anti-aging effects and may help to improve the elasticity and overall appearance of the skin. In addition, argan oil may be helpful in treating a number of different skin conditions, including acne, atopic dermatitis, and even skin infections, thanks to its antibacterial and fungicidal properties. But the benefits of argan oil don't stop at skin health. Some research suggests that it may also have a number of other potential health benefits. For example, it may boost heart health, reduce the risk of diabetes, and even reduce the risk of cancer. Argan oil is also believed to have wound healing properties, and may improve brain function and sleep quality. So how can you experience the benefits of argan oil for yourself? It can be consumed orally or applied topically to the skin or hair. Culinary and cosmetic argan oil are made from the same plant, but the processing methods are slightly different. Culinary argan oil is made from roasted kernels, which gives it a unique, nutty flavor and a copper color. In contrast, cosmetic argan oil is made from raw kernels and has a very lightly golden color and hardly any smell. Both types of argan oil are rich in fatty acids and other beneficial compounds. But culinary argan oil is primarily used for cooking, and cosmetic argan oil is used for its skin care and hair care benefits. Whether you choose to add it to your diet or use it as a natural beauty product, you're sure to notice the amazing effects of this versatile oil. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of argan oil for skin, hair, and overall health. Give it a try and see the difference it can make for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, kindly hit the button like, leave a comment, share and subscribe.